Next, we have time. Time means you must be familiar with the time of day you will be teaching certain students. Some children, attention span or their energy levels may be better in the morning, or I guess depending on when they are taking their medication. So the time of day really can make a difference. I remember when I was younger, I used to always do better when I was not as wound up and fresh in the morning. I'm sure a lot of students are that way. Next is duration. This refers to how much time a student will engage in an activity. Some students may need more breaks than others. Depends on how intense the activity is. It can include a number of weeks, a number of phys ed periods they're participating in, how long they participate in the class, whether it's half a class or the first 10 minutes. Whatever the student really needs to get maximum benefit out of the phys ed class. Next is order of learning. This refers to the sequence or steps required to teach a particular skill. Students with intellectual disabilities may need to focus more on one step of an activity rather than multiple steps. Maybe they can only complete the first step, all depending on their ability levels. Next, size and nature of the group. Some students may be more successful in smaller group settings. This refers to how many students will be at a station or in a game, as well as the makeup of the group. Like I said, some people may struggle in larger groups, so a small group might help them succeed and be more successful. Next, we have instructional setting. This refers to where the class is conducted. Is it indoor or outdoor? Is it in the gym? What's the temperature going to be like? Is it hot, cold, raining? Surface of the floor, boundaries. Are we able to get wheelchairs, walkers, crutches? Are we going to have lighting? All this stuff you need to consider to accommodate your students, so they are comfortable and are able to be successful in your classroom. And then lastly, on the slide is eliminate distractions. This is key. This is important. You want to reduce or eliminate any extraneous noises, people, or objects that may distract students or may take the focus away from each student. So that is very important to consider. It'll really help out.